As they say, raising kids safely takes a village. We're in your neighborhood. Are you curious how a law firm is going to help you protect your kids? Well, let me count the ways. Before I do, if you are curious or know someone who might be, please listen up. It's great you came across this message. You may need it today. And isn't it cool when that happens? Or maybe you can feel good about sharing it with someone else who does. So please share. They'll appreciate it, as will we. I'm Valerie Zammitti, an estate planning attorney in New York and New Jersey. And within the last couple of years, I've developed a new done-for-you estate planning program to protect you and your family faster, easier, and at a DIY price with a 100% guarantee. So let's get you protected. Apply today at YIPPEEplan.com. That's YIPPEEplan.com. The application is free, and the link should be somewhere below. First, we certainly do not offer after-school care. Sorry. But what we do offer is a written plan that keeps your children safeguarded both personally and financially if something happens to you. And we do so with a commitment from you of 2 simple steps. Provide the names of the trusted people in your life for decision-making at all stages, and show up to our group signing event. That's it. Plus, did I mention that you get to say who cares for your kids if you cannot, and provide them with lifetime asset protection for what you leave them behind? So, all of my fellow New York and New Jersey parents with youngins, let's get them covered. It definitely takes a village, and we're here to chip in. Now, the best way to see where you stand and how we can help you is by applying. So it's free to do so. If you qualify, we're going to let you know. If you don't qualify, we're also going to let you know, and perhaps give you some insights on how our firm can help in other ways. Again, I'm Valerie Zammitti, an estate planning attorney in New York and New Jersey, and our new young family program, YIPPEE, is 100% guaranteed. So if you're a parent with minor kids and want to protect them the right way, get started by applying at YIPPEEplan.com. Check out the link below. We hope you've learned something new here today and that you choose to share. As always, please take care.